Hey, welcome to my stretch and mobility. Great, especially for you guys if you are in short in time. So let's start right away. Lift your arms up and stretch to the side. Inhale, exhale. Go to the other side. Go back to the middle. Stretch high up. Check that you are not lifting your shoulders up. Relax your arms. Start to roll down. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. And straighten your legs, knees. And cross your arms. Relax your neck. And rotate side by side. Continue walking more forward. And stop here. Try to push your heels down. Inhale, exhale. Continue walking all the way down. If this feels too advanced, you can as well go on your elbows. Round your back. Step forward and lift your arms up and put a bit of weight forward. Come back. Exhale. Other side. I'll show you this from the side. Same time when you're lifting your arms up, move forward. Feel nice stretch in your hip flexor, active stretch. Great. Open your leg to the side and rotate. Bend to the side, sorry. Other side. Lift your chest up and bring your arms together. Relax your neck. Round your back. Lift your butt up. Stay here for a while and try to push your heels down again. Relax your neck. Walk back. Stop here. Relax your neck. Rotate. Bring your hands behind your knees and lift yourself up. And round your back. And roll your shoulders. I hope that was helpful. You feel great. Thank you so much for joining.